Hello, Peter from Elprotronic. I would like to present you our FlashPro single-target programming of external memory. The hardware configuration consists of XStreamPro programmer and external flash EF. Firstly, please select memory type, which is Micron QU16MB device and its corresponding voltage. Secondly, set programming interface settings. Thirdly, configure target device general memory options. Next, please select external flash code file. Thank you for your attention. Please do not hesitate to contact us.